Hi guys, it's your favorite matchmaker, JCute Official. In this video, I'm going to be showing you or teaching you how to make a relationship work. Either you are in a distant relationship or you and your partner, you are staying together in one country or one location. This video is for you. Making a relationship work require effort and understanding from both parties. And here are some key factors. Firstly, communication. A open and a healthy communication is vital in a relationship. Number two, trust. Trust forms the foundation of an healthy relationship. Number three, respect. Respect your partner's feelings, boundaries, and opinion. It will help you in your relationship. Number four, support. Be supportful, be helpful to your partner during the good times and the bad times. Make sure you are always there for your partner. Number five, quality times. Always try to spend quality time with your partner. It will strengthen your relationship. It will make the bond stronger. Number six, resolve conflicts between your partner. Whenever you and your partner is having a misunderstanding, always try to resolve it quickly. Move to your partner. Don't be too pompous to your partner to talk about issues that are leading to conflicts in the relationship. Resolve conflict between you and your partner in a peaceful manner and in a respectful manner. Number seven, keep the romance alive. Don't be too stiff to your partner. Be open. Make him feel welcome whenever he's talking to you and whenever your partner is with you. Number eight, grow together. Don't leave your partner behind. Hold his hand or hold her hand. Climb on that mountain of growth together. Number nine, be honest and faithful to each other. Number 10, make your partner your best friend. Number 11, appreciate one another. Number 12, forgiveness. Learn to forgive each other no matter what. Remember, every relationship is unique, and what works for one couple may not work for another couple. It is essential to communicate openly with your partner and tailor your approach to fit your specific needs and circumstances. Don't forget to like this video, share to your friends. If you are single and searching, type your age and location in the comment section and follow me for more educative videos like this about relationships.